Hello and welcome to Stafford Land Rover. My name's Charlotte and today I'm going to show you around this lovely Range Rover 4.4 V8 autobiography in Corris Grey. This car's done 54,569 miles and it's next due for a service in April 2023. As it's part of our approved use, you get a minimum 12 months warranty and minimum 12 months 24/7 roadside assistance. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 899 446. So I'm going to give you a 360 tour around the car and then I'll get inside and show you all the technology. So you have Xenon headlamps with LED signature, giving the car a modern exterior, along with an SV body kit for a sportier look. You have 22-inch diamond turned finish alloys. Going into the back of the vehicle, you have enough space there for 3 passengers, along with a centre armrest for maximum comfort and a 4-zone climate control, allowing all passengers to set their own temperature. You also have a powered tailgate, which is ideal if you do have your hands full. As you can see, you've got plenty of space there for personal items such as golf clubs and pushchairs, and you can put the seats down if you do need extra room. Continuing around the car, you also have privacy glass and keyless entry. Going into the driver's side, you have illuminated autobiography tread plates, electrically adjustable front seats, a leather steering wheel, ebony and cirrus interior, leather front seats and a sliding panoramic roof, allowing a lot more light into the car and really brightening up your interior. So that is the end of your 360 tour. I'm now going to get inside and show you all the technology. On your right you have memory seats, perfect if there's several people driving the vehicle, along with a Meridian sound system for better quality sound. Blind spot monitor, making motorway driving safer and easier. Controls on your wheel, including cruise control and a speed limiter, which is ideal for longer journeys. A heated steering wheel, lovely on a cold winter morning. Bluetooth, allowing you to make calls whilst on the go, and voice control. You have an interactive driver display where you can view your driver assistance, trip, view and change your display, for example if you want the full map in front of you, vehicle settings and vehicle information. In the middle you have a touchscreen with sat-nav and DAB radio, along with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to connect your phone and use various apps. A rear view camera, which is also 360 degree surround, making parking and reversing so much easier. Timed climate, allowing you to set the temperature inside the car before even getting in, which is ideal for winter and summer. And you also have ambient lighting with many different colours to choose from, which looks really effective in the dark. You also have heated and cooled front seats, again practical for winter and summer, and these seats are also massage. You have various different driving modes depending on the weather or where you're driving the car, making it suitable for all conditions. And finally, in your armrest you have a cooler compartment, which is useful for long journeys and keeping refreshments cold. Stepping back outside the vehicle, thank you for watching this video on this lovely Range Rover 4.4 V8 autobiography in Corris Grey, which is part of our approved used. We offer many different finance packages, so if you would like a personalised quote or to book a test drive, please just call 01785 899 446. Thank you.